Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Dodge Ram oil change indicator. This simple process ensures your vehicle accurately tracks its maintenance needs. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second window. Finally, turn the ignition to the off position. This should clear the oil change light. For some Ram models, you might use the instrument cluster. Begin by turning the ignition to the on position. Use the steering wheel controls to scroll through the menu on your instrument cluster display. Navigate to Vehicle Info, then select Oil Life. Once there, press and hold the OK button until the oil life resets to 100%. This method provides a clear digital confirmation. After performing the reset, it is crucial to confirm the oil change indicator light is no longer illuminated on your dashboard. If it remains on, repeat the chosen procedure. Remember, resetting the light does not replace the need for actual oil changes. Always check your engine oil level and condition regularly, and follow your Ram's maintenance schedule for optimal vehicle health. To quickly recap, you have 2 primary methods for resetting your Dodge Ram's oil change light. The first involves turning the ignition on, depressing the accelerator pedal 3 times, and then turning the ignition off. The second method uses the instrument cluster controls to navigate to oil life and holding the OK button. Always verify the light is off to ensure a successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.